Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired the meeting of the 43rd edition of Pragati involving centre and state governments yesterday. Addressing the National Symposium on Production of Improved and Traditional Seeds through Cooperative Sector, Union Cooperation Minister Amit Shah has emphasized on the need to increase production of traditional seeds to strengthen rural economy. India will resume visa services in Canada for certain categories from today. Reserve Bank of India has asked private banks and wholly owned subsidiaries of foreign banks to ensure at least 2 whole-time directors WTDs, including the MD and CEO. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to formally inaugurate the 37th National Games at Margao in Goa today evening.